Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, official, the one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, copyright infringers, haters of Art Bell, haters, or cheapskates, and this is Burgh Unboxing. But this video will go into the vault because I asked my subscribers to help donate to help me get a brand new 10.2 2019 Wi-Fi and cellular iPad that's available 3 miles from my home, and so far no one has donated. So I will take 2 weeks off to start cleaning this place up a bit, and I got the item today that will help me do it, but it weighs a ton. And if you want to donate to Falky2013@gmail.com. And this video will go into the official, the guy from Pittsburgh Paranormal vault with the bins of gold and silver, as other videos I've done today. I've done about 7 videos, but they're going to go in the vault for 2 weeks. So I see what happens. And people talk the talk but won't walk the walk. They say, we love your videos, we want you to go live, when are you going to go live? But they won't donate to support this channel, and I'm sick and tired of it. I have a broken iPad I can't afford to fix yet. I got a new credit card, maybe, I'm not certain about this. They said they would approve it, but it's kind of a case I'll believe it when I see it. That will go toward repairing the car. I can take $300 on that card, use it toward roughly almost half the car repair at $740, and then take that cash toward a new iPad. So one way or the other, I can probably have an iPad in 2 months. But if you all help, I need $324. I'll get a new iPad in a day. I'll be live within 2 once I get a hold of a guy, meet him, unbox the brand new iPad, and then go down to T-Mobile, pay my $8 bill, and I'll be back on the air live from anywhere I go. All right, this thing is heavy. Oh, and this is, I had to take it out of the box because the box is too big. And this is not my Hoover that I want eventually. But the problem with this house, cat food gets on the floor, cat litter gets tracked into my bed and all over the carpets. So this is, and this is the official company, this is a 3-gallon shop vac. And I have not been able to, my vacuum died, that bastard at Western Vacuum in Concord, I had a $60 credit, and he said, show a receipt, and I have no idea where the receipt is. So, we will show you what's in here. There's the wand end, and 3 tube thingies. They probably go on this shop vac somewhere, but for now, I'll put them here. And Fluffy is not reacting to a catnip item at all. Fuzzy is. This is another vacuum wand air thingy. And then there is the, I don't know what's the attachment. We'll find out in a second. No, it's not. This is the hose. And this is not light. But I gotta get rid of these boxes because I got 4 boxes in here. And this is the hose. Looks like a giant coiled snake ready to strike at any minute. And then here's the shop vac itself. Now, oh, there's more. Wait, there's more, as the guy says in the commercial. As soon as I figure out how to open this. Alright, this comes off. This is a filter, and you can get a separate filter to make it. You take this off, and you can do wet or dry. There's times I spill water on these. And here are the wheels for it. I'm not sure I read the thing what this is for. Another item. Screws to attach top handle. That's the top handle. Some kind of ring. A reusable dry disc filter. And the wet dry vacuum model AL5E30RH. And there's the manual. I think that's all. And then we have handed in full. This is the inside. Something just dropped. Oh, the bottle. Alright, and this is the inside and the front spout. So once it's not a very big vacuum, but for my purposes, I can finally get all this damn cat food and litter off the carpets, and I will stop going in my bed. And some of it's inside the sofa bed and under the sofa bed, but I haven't had a working vacuum for months. So, oh wait a minute, there's more in here. Hold on. There's also, you can get more bags. This is the bag. And finally, another one. I think this is for upholstery. So, I will put all this back inside and then do a video later of showing you how this works once I have time. Probably tomorrow, and that will all go this video will go in the vault, in the official Senda Paranormal and News vault, as are the other videos, to be held in there hermetically sealed for 2 weeks until I see if people are going to donate or not. I'm going to take 2 weeks off. So, if you want to see me go live and get a brand new iPad, it's time to donate to George Senda at Falkie 2013. That's FALKIE 2013 at gmail.com. That's my PayPal account. And I need $324 to buy a brand new iPad. That's 3 miles from my home. I can be live within a day. Go down and pay my T-Mobile account, $8. Get the iPad, unbox it. You'll see me, and then I'll have 2 means of communications. Hopefully the new camera I just got and the new iPad if I get it. Otherwise, you won't see these videos for 2 weeks, and you won't see any live videos for probably months to come. All right. That's it for this one. Very hot here. 84. It's dropped down a degree at 18 minutes to 7. I've got to get out of here to get to the store to get my antibiotics. Oh, they're probably closed by the time I get to the store. Well, I may have to get my antibiotics tomorrow and suffer. It'll be too late. They close at 8. I'll never make it. Damn it. That's the price I pay for doing videos. So I have to get up in the morning and get my antibiotics. And Kathy is going on and on and on about a former boyfriend that died. She's driving me crazy with that. He died. He's 70 years old, and well, he's gone. What are you going to do about it? But she's mourning him and just shaking my head, going, "Why are you bothering with this woman?" So she's been going on now for 3 days. She discovered he died. I don't go on about that about my girlfriend Julie that was murdered, and I didn't murder her. Her husband did. And she tried to get away from him, and he was terrorizing her. And she died in April, 6 months before I met Kathy, and she was 25. Very sad. I miss her. I've missed her for years, but I only found out about her death about 3 years ago. Now we try to look up somebody's death. Ancestry.com or similar sites have taken over the news of death certificates, birth certificates. You can't just look up a news item that someone dies or is born. They have cornered the market. So I'll have to find out one day. Get over to the city and ask for the death certificate and find out exactly what happened to her. But I miss the woman. It was my first adult girlfriend. and she was a very loving and sweet and kind person, did not deserve to die. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Donate to the channel. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe. And if you want to see live videos again, you know what to do. Bye-bye for now.